Man, I woke up to some shit. This ain't no normal ass rain. Something, oh, my shit got blown over. Oh my goodness. Anyway, yeah, I woke up. You got sheets of rain out here. You can hear this shit waving against the house. Windy, oh, see. Wow. This shit just out of nowhere. Well, goddamn. I guess I'll pay close enough attention to the weather. Well, I'm getting wet. Oh man, Cat, you better be in the house. Oh, my internet came back on. That goddamn mailbox ain't attached to nothing, but it's still there. It's just sitting there.